Hello everyone, Joanne here, coming from my laundry room. Yep, I thought I'd give you a little peek, and I realize it may not be the best video as I'm having to do a lot of this one-handed. So we'll see how this works. I wanted to show you how I've cleaned up my laundry area. Not so much the physical area, but my actual washing. So I'm not going to try pouring it one-handed, but I pour in, well, I'll be brave. Why not? I pour in a very small amount of the OnGuard. I sort of know what in mind where the correct amount is. And then instead of using fabric softener, I'm gotten away from those chemicals. I'm using white vinegar, just the store brand stuff here. And I fill up my fabric softener area with the vinegar. I mean, a whole lot cheaper than fabric softener. Now, this is where you can get creative and use your own twist. Right now, for both my washing and drying, I'm using our Purify blend. I love this stuff. It is a nice light clean smell and helps get the aroma out of the laundry if it's got any. And then I'll wait to start the washer here. I use dryer balls, and in the dryer balls what I do is I usually put 2 to 3 in the dryer. And again, I've been choosing to use the same essential oil as I do in the wash. But in both the wash and the dryer, you can get creative. If you love the uplifting scent of citrus, why not pull out that lemon from your top 10 oils? Or mix the lemon with some clove for a nice citrusy spice. Ooh, that's a good way to use it. Now, I choose not to, but because I tend to do a mix in my wash, there's only 2 of us, so I'm not doing tons of laundry the same way. But you could also, if you knew it was like, say, your sheets or your pajamas, you could use lavender in your dryer balls to help get a nice light scent to help you at night, if that's one of the oils that helps you relax. So that's just a couple ways of how I'm using it. And in fact, you can use your OnGuard Laundry Detergent to help pre-treat any spots in your laundry. So I'm down to like no chemicals really in my laundry. Occasionally I've got to get a little bit of the dish soap together if it's a grease stain from cooking. But other than that, that's my basics for doing laundry. OnGuard, white vinegar, and essential oil. So keep on learning about essential oils and take time to use them and ask questions. Goodbye for now.